Hello! Today I would like to show you that a protection test can be very quick and smart and must be not also very expensive. Therefore, I bought a CMC 310 with me, controlled by the CM control front panel. Alternatively, you can use also your PC or an Android tablet. So I've connected here a protection relay where I have configured a two-stage overcurrent protection and a overvoltage protection. And I will test both of them by secondary injection with my CMC 310. Therefore, I start with my CM control with the hardware configuration to configure everything I have wired up here. So 3-phase current and 3-phase voltages, and in addition a trip and a start signal. So starting with the voltages, you can configure them here directly in CM control. And also the binary inputs, we have here a pre-configured trip and a start signal. In addition, you can also configure your VT and your PT and your current transformer settings. And when this is all configured, the first step we would recommend is a wiring check. So with a wiring check, you can verify if your setup is wired correctly and if the ratio settings in your relay are also correct. So we go up here in the wiring check, and here CM control automatically gives you some values, some symmetric values for the injection. So just by pressing the start button, CMC will start with injection, and we can verify on the front panel the values we are injecting. So everything looks good, the voltages and the currents. Okay, stops injection. And now we would like to start with the pickup and drop-off test. Therefore, we have here this ramping tool in CM control, and here I will start with the currents. So we have a pickup value of 1.3 amp configured here, and here you can choose your file type. You can enter some parameters, for example, if you would like to have also voltages in parallel for directional overcurrent protection, for example, and you can automatically or use this automatic ramp. Very useful, then you're very quick in the test. So now going in the test screen, starting the injection, and CM control will automatically ramp up the current, and at 1.3 amp the relay will trip. Okay, perfect. So therefore we verified that there is no additional protection working below than 1.3 amp. So let's do this also again for the voltage. So we have configured here an overvoltage protection of 1.1 of nominal voltage. And we do the same like before with current. We go up here with the voltage signal. Also use here this automatic ramp, and here start the test. So CM control again raises the voltage, and now let's wait for the overvoltage pickup. Okay, here it is. So exactly how we configured. So, and the next short test I would like to show you is a quick overcurrent test. Therefore, we have here this time characteristic tool. Go in the fault configuration. In this case, I will use a 3-phase fault. And here I can configure my two-stage overcurrent protection here. 1.3 at the first stage and 3 amp at the second stage. Go on the test screen, and now I can place some test points with a slider, starting maybe with 1 amp for the first shot. CM control starts injection, and there should be no trip signal perfectly. And now raise up the current higher than 1.3 amp. Okay, we get this trip signal, go up near to the second stage. And let's see. Okay, again we get the trip signal. go higher than the second stage perfectly, and now we get also quick time. Okay, so that's it. So we showed you in, I think, 3 or 4 minutes how a quick protection test can be performed, and I wish you a very nice day. Bye.